Pearland Regional Airport.
Automated weather observation 1524 Zulu. Wind 210 at 03. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 18 Celsius. Dew point 17 Celsius. Altimeter 3022. Remarks. Density altitude 100.
Pearland traffic, Skyline 80 Papico, taxiing around up area 14, Pearland.
Looks like a helicopter coming in too. Or,
Yeah. Boom.
they're supposed to fly down the runway and use these two line rates.
Usually, yeah. Except for that confusing part about coming in here with the right pattern. That only applies to helicopters.
Pearland traffic 71 Echo, turning left crosswind 14 Pearland. Pearland traffic 71 Echo, turning left base 14 Pearland.
See him out there. He's real far out on base.
Yeah. And we'll hold short for that incoming traffic.
And a touch and go, so he'll be out quick, won't he?
He should be. Pearland traffic, Skyline 80 Papico, taking off 14, departing to the southeast.
Approaching runway 1, entered runway 14, 4,300 feet remaining.
The instruments are green. Speed's alive.
Pearland traffic 71 Echo, turning left crosswind 14 Pearland. Pearland traffic 71 Echo, turning left downwind 14 Pearland.
Pearland traffic, Skyline 80 Papico, departing the area to the southeast, Pearland.
Pearland traffic, pipeline 2 Deltas, about 5 miles to the west. Going to try to set up for a right base entry for 14 Pearland. Pearland traffic, helicopter 223 Mike off, short final 14, simulated out to the Alpha 4 taxi intersection on the runway. Pearland.
What a smooth morning.
I know it.
Pearland traffic, 2 Deltas, going to be real to take off and exit out to the east, Pearland.
What's the VOR we're going to? What's it? For Galveston or?
Yeah, it's near there. What's it called there? For Galveston.
About.
I guess that's 45 over there, the main drag that goes down to Galveston.
Yeah, it looks like it. I think so.
We clear this last ring where we can.
Well, we can go to 4,000 now, but
And look at the industry out here, though. Wow. Pretty swampy, marshy looking land out here.
isn't it though? Put a little island here with houses on it, see it?
Well, yeah. Oh, and here's went up on a marina. It's built way back into the land. Looks like they're just starting to develop it because it's got room for a ton of boats and houses, Ron. Oh, that's cool looking. I like that. This is the coolest. I took a picture of it to show you. It's really, there's some nice houses on it.
big barge below me.
Lots of homes down here, and they all have boat houses.
There's a runway right there.
Oh yeah, I see it. I'm seeing like 12 big ships just... Oh, and there's more. And look at the ships, Ron.
No.
There's a couple of rigs out there back here.
Oh.
Small ones.
Man, there's a ton more out here.
Oh, I know, that's what I'm saying. It's a little bit hazy, so they kind of keep coming into view. Okay, there's the main pier there at Galveston, and that's where I remember we ate at a restaurant at one time.
Falcon 8 Uniform Tango, when you turn around, turn right heading 250, maintain 2000, runway 18, clear for takeoff.
All right, 250, maintain 2000, clear for 2, takeoff on 18, Uniform Tango.
There's a Ferris wheel right here on the end of the dock, kind of like Santa Monica Pier.
Yeah. I knew the Galveston Pier had stuff on it. It's been so many years. People come down here to go out on cruises. I don't know. I guess their cruise ship dock is right down here.
There's a cruise ship right there.
Okay, I couldn't quite see.
Come into view in a second here.
And there's a ton of ships coming in. I feel like a lot of those out there are just staged, waiting to come in.
Falcon 8 Uniform Tango, contact departure field.
Departure, appreciate your help, Uniform Tango.
They actually have a couple of breakwaters that go way out.
Do they?
Yeah. Kind of helping with the channel, protected channel. Now, there's some places on this side I never think about, on this side of the channel, some little houses and stuff on the beach.
You just go all the way around the bay.
Yeah. Beach looks really pretty nice though. I'm glad we did this. This is nice.
It's nice.
And it seems like there's a lot less traffic on this side.
There is. Matter of fact, come down this way again. I think I'm going to come down and do what we did.
I think so too.
I wanted to go Parr because the way we got cleared, I thought we'd get a real good view of downtown here. Then they ended up turning us out for traffic. So.
Yeah. There's a ton of barges and kind of a little protected inlet over there. I don't know what they're for.
Oh.
And then a real nice park right there. Like you said, it's kind of difficult to get to over this side, but sure is pretty, see?
Yeah.
Look at all the traffic kind of on that side, and we're out of it over here.
Yeah, I mean, see, if you look, there's just so many airports underneath that Bravo.
Yeah. have a 1 knot tailwind.
Told you it wasn't going to be much of one.
When we turn, we may get just a,
When we turn, I think it picks up to about 4 or 5, but
Yeah.
once it's not a headwind.
yeah.
I mean, there's houses here below me that I swear the only way to get to them is by boat.
I've never really seen this side of the bay.
Wait, 1-8 neither.
Interstate 10 below us, Ron.
Oh, yeah.
Bit of a layer out here now.
When I was looking at the cloud layer, I knew east of me was going to have a little overcast.
Yeah.
And so it's great that it kind of panned out the way it kind of forecasted it to be.
Yeah.
For all the practical purposes, it's clear out here.
Oh, yeah.
We had a good visit. We had a nephew's wedding, and then we had a subscriber reach out to us, Bernie Brown. He's been following us for a number of years, commenting. I think about a year ago, he sent me a message and said, hey, if you're ever in the area, holler at us and we'll, try to meet, eat lunch or something. And Sunday, we were free, and he said, well, why don't you come on to church? So we went to church and had a great Mexican lunch there. So Bernie and Miss Pam, thank you very much for your hospitality.
Thank you.
And it was at the time it didn't work out right for us to land at the airport he was at.
Right.
Well, yesterday it was all fogged in.
But it was really nice. It was my nephew's wedding. We were able to be with both my brothers and my dad, which I don't know how many years it's been. All in one place at the same time. It was really nice.
Then on top of that, I had a classmate, Jim Allen, that lived nearby too. So we stopped and visited with him for a while.
Yeah.
And so Jim, good shout out to you. It was a great visit.
Yeah.
So anyway, we were
busy.
We were busy. We were getting pulled left and right. So anyway. That's the way it goes sometimes.
Yes, it is.
The jet out there, see it?
Oh, yeah.
Our traffic. Hawk 43 Victor, Pearland.
There he is right there.
Yep. Oh, no, there's that one, or there's another one straight in front of it.
Waller, 30th.
I see him now.
It shows you, though, how far away they really are.
I know.
When you see it from here.
704, Sierra Alpha, you up.
The jet up there. Oh, let's see.
Up to 46.
Oh, yeah.
Clear up to the southwest.
Even showing up.
Outside traffic, clear check 581, 6 miles southeast, inbound is going left downwind, 1 west downwind. Okay, we're setting up for straight ahead runway 18. We're just past Dr. Bob, about 10 miles out. Nacogdoches.
That's in Dr. Bob.
Dr. Bob.
Yeah. We have a 1 knot tailwind and 1 knot crosswind. I think we call that no factor.
Pretty much, yeah.
Lake Livingston over there. That big lake.
Oh.
It's funny, Nacogdoches is Coke.
I know.
Traffic action number 6090, clear on that, no one will be 1 feet. And a uniform Mike along the maintenance, you're gonna stop here right where it's handed.
It's a little airport right here.
Well, that's that KJSO, I bet.
Cherokee County.
Yeah. Good sized little town, isn't it?
Yes, it's a nice little town, looks like.
Big 9642 Buffalo's on the right, downwind 1772. The carrier traffic out helicopter 45. Line up for a straight in, final exit parallel 17. County 7 Scott 916 Bingo 9 miles. German Municipal Cirrus 232 Charlie Golf, entering the left downwind for 16 full stop.
We got a long runway going this way.
There's something taking off, a regional. At night, that is a long runway. They have 3 active, don't they?
Looks like it.
And the north-south one's not real long, but that other one that's kind of at an angle is long too.
And it was pretty long. Then I look on the chart, and it shows it at 8,300 feet.
Yeah, that other one's 51, isn't it? I can't, it's go there.
A 5108.
Oh, it's closed. That one's
It's
closed.
closed. See, when you look at the chart, see, it tells you right there the longest runway's 83. It won't tell you to the 10s. It'll just tell you, you know, around 8,300. Coming up on I-20 now.
I can see you.
Home Severe County, Cessna 5010, left cross up runway 8, Home Severe, southwest departure. Fuel is inbound on the RNAV 35, circle for 1749, clarificated that. County traffic, Skyhawk 95 X-ray, left base 20. Base Cherokee, 35 Juliet, starting for the right crosswind. Traffic is reported from Thermot, Fort here, Norval 30 miles, to the east, southeast.
The lake can only see one mode on it.
Huh?
But it is Monday.
Yeah.
Spillway right here on this end.
Boy, this lake is pretty. There's sandy beaches all the way around it.
I see that.
Traffic, final runway 17739.
Farm traffic, we farm 32, 3 miles, 45, going to be crossed over the top of 170 bottom.
I've been doing left downwind. Good. Normal traffic, 39 is left downwind, short of Normal traffic, 39 is left downwind, short of
That's that Canadian River.
Traffic, flight design
40, isn't it?
5 miles
Yep.
southwest inbound. We'll be circling around to enter a left downwind on a 45 for runway 35. Kick this.
Been seeing this. I think that's smoke.
Oh. A refinery up there?
I don't know.
Tell those are buildings or tanks. Look, they're tanks.
They do.
Set my final RNAV 31 circle 13.
Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see closer.
town strewed up here. They've got a racetrack.
See that?
Sure, 372 is a 4-mile final RNAV, 31 circle 13.
All right, I thought that was a reminder of words or something.
Close traffic, Stock Road 9675, taxi into runway 17 go.
You stop in Ponca City and eat Mexican food.
Already had good Mexican food.
I was going to say, we've eaten more Mexican food this weekend than we have in a long time.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
good.
Yeah, well, we had Mexican food at the wedding, and then with Bernie and Pam, we had Mexican food. And then now you want to do it again.
Claymore traffic 175 miles an hour.
Hey, it-
downwind for
It's pretty.
Ice out there?
Oh, no. I don't know. It just looks like real shallow something. I don't know.
It looks like ice.
Yeah.
That it's melted and it's just got some.
Oh, right in the middle. Yeah, you may be right. Yeah. There's the state line. See it up there?
See it.
Our traffic call spring 3402 Charlie is now the 8-mile final runway 18 Jabara.
Jabara traffic, Stock November 705, uniform departing to the west. Will re-enter on a 45 downwind for 18 Jabara.
Destination ASOS is 134.025.
Colonel James Jabara Airport. Automated weather observation 1922 Zulu. Wind 190 at 14. Peak gusts 24. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 23 Celsius. Dew point 04 Celsius. Altimeter 2995. Remarks. Density altitude 2,700.
We got the gusts.
Traffic 49 Romeo Hotel, clear runway 18 Jabara traffic.
Jabara traffic, November 705, uniform 3 to the northwest, entering 45, right downwind 18 Jabara.
That's the bridge.
Oh, you can see it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see it really well. My goodness.
Jabara traffic, November 705, uniform, right downwind 18 Jabara, number 2 for final.
Hey, Jabara traffic, cancel us at Wedding King Air, we're 2 mile final 18, full stop.
Jabara traffic, November 705, uniform, right base, 18 Jabara. Jabara traffic, November 705, uniform, final 18 full stop Jabara.
Jabara, November, Skyhawk, November 705, uniform, clear of runway 18, Jabara.
And Skyhawk, are you coming this way towards the South FBO?
Yeah, we're going to be coming to W2 Tech, Alpha 1.
Hold short.
No, not the whole tour, we're going to be going to W2 Tech.
No, I'm holding short.
Roger.
Jabara traffic. Skylane 805 Echoes 12 to the north on the ILS 18 full stop, Jabara.
Jabara traffic, 37424 is good.
Jabara traffic, November 705, uniform, taxiing Alpha 3 to run up 2 via Alpha Jabara. We were just talking to her. Are we able to just taxi past you guys and get into W2 Tech?
Jabara traffic. Skylane 805 Echo is 10 to the north on the ILS 18 full stop, Jabara.
Right on, this is 424. I'm going to pass behind you here.
Roger.
Traffic here, 6572, sector 32,000 feet. Finally departing to the west.
Jabara traffic. Skylane 805 Echoes on a 4-mile final 18 full stop, Jabara.
That on run up for 18, are you guys doing a full run up? We just want to be able to taxi past you and get back to W2 Tech. Jabara traffic, November 705, uniform, taxiing Alpha 1 to W2 Tech.
Jabara traffic. Skylane 805 Echoes on a short final 18 full stop, Jabara.
1 mile final runway 18. $500.
Jabara traffic, Falcon 550 Tango Hotel is on a 5-mile left base for 18, Jabara.
With all that gust and crosswind.
Can we get a top up for 705 uniform, or sorry, filter tabs?
Copy that, 705 uniform. We'll get that down to you.
Thank you so much.
Jabara traffic. Skylane 805 Echo vacating 18, Jabara.
Jabara traffic, Golden Eagle 424, departing on runway 18, right turn out to the north.
And Jabara traffic. Skylane 805 Echoes clear 18, taxiing to the north hangars, Jabara. Only put in 20 degrees.
Traffic, Falcon 550 Tango Hotel, about a 3-mile final for runway 18, Jabara.
Descent was rough, too.
It was, I mean, we were smooth the entire flight down below 4,000 feet.
Yeah.
Jabara traffic 424, right crosswind, runway 18.
They're busy today.
Traffic, Falcon.
There's one on final.
2-mile final 18.
Jabara traffic 424, right downwind for runway 18. I'll be departing on pattern to the north.
Jabara traffic 299 Alpha Mike is taking runway 18. As soon as the jet is clear, we'll be departing to the south. 299 Alpha Mike.
Good job.